Hey guys, welcome to Fast Fix. Today I will show you how to save Instagram photos and videos in Gallery. So you need to open your Instagram application, then go to your profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then here tap on the three lines at the top right corner, and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now I want you to scroll it down until you can see here the archiving and downloading. So you need to tap this option right here. Now right here, you need to toggle on the Save Original Photos. So you can automatically save the unedited photos and videos taken with Instagram's feed camera to your camera roll. You can toggle on the Save Story to Gallery, so you can also automatically save your story to your phone's gallery. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.